This is a quick how-to video that will cover the basics of configuring the counter mode for the SD50 status display from Banner Engineering. Begin by connecting the SD50 to your Windows PC using the Pro Converter cable kit and by following the diagram in the manual. If you're having trouble connecting, check out our troubleshooting guide for the Banner Pro Editor software. Once you have connected to the software, click the counter icon. Counter mode measures the number of input pulses coming into the white wire, or pin 2, and updates the status of the display based on custom thresholds. The first setting you will want to modify is the number of pulses that will be counted, which you can modify in the Pulses field. Next, select whether you want to count up or down using the direction menu. The black wire, or pin 4, can be used to either reset or decrement the count, and you can assign the function via the Control Input function menu. Counter mode also includes the option to provide a bar graph on the display. The Display Bar Graph checkbox is selected by default, and it can be unchecked if you only want to display text. You can also change the orientation of the bar graph by selecting the number in the bar graph orientation menu that corresponds with a specific side of the display shown in the figure to the right. For example, if the orientation is set to 3, the bar graph will fill from that side of the display. Additional bar graph settings include showing the bar graph only with no text and displaying a slim bar graph. Below these settings are the data label and value label fields. Here you can assign text that can provide context to your count. You can configure up to 4 different states, and you can set each state to trigger at a specific threshold using the % menus. Each state can be configured to show one of 7 animations with 14 color options, as well as a unique line of text. It's important to note that any text entered into the display text fields will supersede the data label field. Leave the field blank if you wish to keep the data label displayed. When you are finished selecting an animation and text for each state, click Write Device Settings to send the configuration to the SD50. Additional formatting options are available in the Advanced Settings menu, including text color, text brightness, scroll direction, connector orientation, and more. Click Write to send these settings to the SD50. That covers the basics of the SD50 counter mode. For more information, reach out to Banner Engineering.